In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up SMS in Brevo. To follow along, you will need to be logged into your Brevo account and have access to the menu on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to orient yourself. You should see a sidebar with several sections. We are going to navigate through the marketing area first, then reach the SMS campaign creation page. Start by clicking Marketing in the left menu. This is the main entry point for campaigns and messaging tools, so clicking it helps you land in the correct part of the dashboard. After you click Marketing, look for the next option in the menu, or within the main content area. The goal here is to reach the campaign section, where SMS setup is managed. Next, click Campaigns. This step matters because SMS campaigns are treated as a type of campaign within Brevo. When you select Campaigns, you should see a page that lists existing campaigns, along with options to create new ones. If there are existing campaigns, that is normal. You are not editing those right now. You are preparing to start a fresh SMS campaign. Now that you are in the Campaigns area, you will see an SMS option. Click SMS. This filters or switches the view, so you are specifically working with SMS messaging. At this point, pay attention to the page header or the top section of the screen, because it should indicate that you are looking at SMS campaign settings. This helps ensure you are creating the correct type of campaign, not an email campaign or another messaging format. With the SMS section open, look to the top right of the page for an option to create a new campaign. Click Create an SMS campaign. This opens the campaign creation flow. Take a moment here because the screen may load a form with fields you need to fill in. You do not have to move fast. It is better to be sure you are on the correct creation page before typing anything. After the creation screen loads, you will be asked to type your campaign name. Choose a name that clearly identifies what this SMS campaign is for, such as what promotion it relates to or the audience you are targeting. The campaign name is mainly for organization inside your Brevo account, so a clear label will make it easier to find later. Type the campaign name into the provided field, and make sure it is spelled and formatted the way you want. Once you have entered the campaign name, click Create Campaign. This action will confirm your setup and move you forward into the next parts of the campaign process. After you click Create Campaign, Brevo typically prepares the campaign workspace, where you will later define message content and other sending details. For now, the key point is that you have successfully created the SMS campaign record and set the foundation for the rest of the setup. At this stage, you should see the campaign now exists within your SMS campaign list or inside the campaign workspace. If you do not immediately see it, try refreshing your view, but do not change anything else yet. The main success check for this tutorial is that the SMS campaign creation process has started, and the campaign has been created using the name you provided. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.